Bonjour tout le monde et bienvenue à Learn French by Suchita. Je m'appelle Suchita, votre enseignante de la langue française, and in this video, we are going to learn all the verbs related to kitchen so that if you read any recipe book, you will be able to understand. Before we begin with this video, I would like to introduce you to my website www.learnfrenchbysuchita.com, where you will find recorded courses for all your French language needs. We have courses for DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, TEF TCF recorded course, French phonetics as well. We have special courses for our school students ranging from grade 5 to grade 8. We also have courses for university students who are enrolled in certificate course or diploma course in Delhi University. And finally, we also have courses for our school students who are aiming to appear for their DELF Preem or DELF Junior examinations. So hurry up and check it out. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. And in this video, we are going to learn all the verbs which are related to kitchen. So that means whenever you read a recipe book, whenever you read a recipe, anything, you should be able to understand all the verbs. So let's start with to butter. To apply butter. So by the way, butter is known as beurre. Beurre. It's actually beurre. Beurre. So the verb which comes out is beurrer. That's a regular ER verb. So you say beurrer. Beurrer to apply butter. To put salt, that's known as salé. So by the way, salt in French is known as sel. Sel. So the verb is salé. Salé. On continue. To put pepper. But before that, you should know how do you say pepper. That's poivre. Poivre. So the verb to put pepper, to put pepper, yeah, it is known as poivrer. Poivrer. To mix. Mélanger. 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 To pour. That's known as verser. Verser. To pour. Verser. On continue avec to season. Assaisonner. Assaisonner. Assaisonner is to season. Next, to boil. That's bouillir. Little difficult to pronounce. So I told you I-double-L, when it comes together, you do not pronounce double L. Bouillir. And that is why a kettle in which you boil the water, that's known as bouilloire. Bouilloire. And that is why a kettle in which you boil the water, that's known as bouilloire. Bouilloire. Je vais écrire pour vous. Alors là, c'est bouilloire. And that is why the verb is bouillir. Bouillir. On continue avec to cut. Couper. Couper. On va faire une petite révision et c'est vraiment important, c'est vraiment obligatoire que vous répétiez après moi. You need to repeat after me. It's very important. Allez-y. To butter. That's beurrer. Beurrer. To put salt. That's salé. Salé. To put pepper, poivrer. Poivrer. To mix, mélanger. Mélanger. To pour, verser. Verser. To season, that's assaisonner. 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 To boil, that's bouillir. Bouillir. To cut, that's couper. Couper. On continue avec to cook. To cook, cuisiner. 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 To peel, that's éplucher. Éplucher. By the way, a peeler is known as éplucheur. Éplucheur. And to peel is éplucher. These are actually the words of the same family. Okay? Now next, to whisk. That's fouetter. fouetter. And that is why the utensil with which you actually whisk, a whisk is known as fouet. Fouet, un fouet. And the verb is fouetter. Alors, to cook something until it is golden, you say dorer, dorer, dorer. To cook, or you can also say to bake, that's known as faire cuire, faire cuire. To grill, that's griller, griller. Again, you have I-double-L, so you do not pronounce double L, griller. On continue avec to fry, that's known as frire, frire. On va faire une petite révision, allez-y. To cook, cuisiner, c'est vraiment important de répéter, hein. Cuisiner. To peel, éplucher, éplucher. To whisk, fouetter, fouetter. To cook something until golden, that's dorer, dorer. To cook, or you can say to bake, that's known as faire cuire, faire cuire. To grill, that's griller, griller. To fry, that's known as frire, frire. On continue avec to chop. To chop is known as hacher, hacher. Remember, you don't pronounce the letter H in French, so it's not hacher, c'est hacher, hacher. It's a regular ER verb. On continue avec to stir. To stir, remuer, remuer. To wash, laver, laver. And that is why, you know, a washing machine is known as un lave-linge. Similarly, a dishwasher is known as un lave-vaisselle. So, to wash is laver. To grate, that's râper, râper. To roast, that's rôtir, rôtir, rôtir. To sprinkle, that's saupoudrer, saupoudrer, saupoudrer. That's to sprinkle. To slice, trancher, trancher. Et finalement, to serve, that's servir, servir. On va faire une petite révision, mais le plus important, c'est que vous répétiez après moi. Allez-y. To chop, hacher. Repeat, hein? Repeat. Hacher. To stir, remuer, remuer. To wash, laver, laver. To grate, that's râper, râper. To roast, rôtir, rôtir. To sprinkle, saupoudrer, saupoudrer. To slice, that's trancher, trancher. Et finalement, to serve, servir, servir. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and for daily updates and reminders, do not forget to hit the bell icon. And I'll see you very soon with the next video. Till then, au revoir, à bientôt et bisous bisous.